Installing Vantage Shutters on your house? Measuring your windows correctly is essential to ordering and installing the right ones. With a huge range of widths and heights across all our styles, let's get your measurements right the first time. There's a right way to measure and a wrong way. Let's start with the right way. First, shutters are usually the same length as the window frame. But is that the inside or outside of your frame? That's your choice. Measure the complete length of your window frame, either the entire length or the inside of the frame or the inside of the trim. Whichever you choose, it's important to be consistent for all windows. You just don't want to go too small or too tall. Next up, measure the width of your windows. You typically want shutters to be about half the width of the window. Don't assume all your windows are the same size. Measure them all out. With your measurements, go to Lowe's.com and zero in on your shutters, styles, colors, and widths. So, that's the right way to measure for shutters, but there are plenty of wrong ways too. There's the eyeball it, and the it's about as long as you are, or the how many baby bumps? Trust us, just go with the right way, and your Vantage Shutters will be sized right all around.